Here are the full winners sa Mixed Music Awards 2024. Para sa unang category, we have a Breakout Group of the Year, and the winner is Cup of Joe. Congrats! Sa second category naman, we have Breakout Solo Artist of the Year, and the winner is Maki. Napakaganda kasi ng mga kanta niya at sikat na sikat talaga this year. On for our next category, we have Collaboration of the Year, and the winner is Determinado by Pablo and Josue. Wow! Global Video of the Year. Then the winner is Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. Wow, diba? Hip Hop Video of the Year. And the winner is Atin Atin Lang by Al James featuring Flo G. For our next category, we have Rock Video of the Year. And the winner is none other than Fake Faces by Philip. R&B Video of the Year naman. And the winner is Yoko Na, Josh Cullen, and Al James. Ang ganda ng kantang to. Mellow Video of the Year. Ito yung leaderboard. At ang winner, Surreal ni Justin. Grabe, siya rin na nag-direct nito, kaya congrats, Ja. Pop Video of the Year naman, leading yung Room ni Stel. Pero ang nagwagi, Bini, Salamin, Salamin. Congratulations! Song of the Year naman, Pantropiko ang nangunguna dito. Tama. Bini, Pantropiko, Song of the Year. Music Video of the Year. Ito naman. And the winner is Moonlight, SB19, ayan, Asher Terry Zhong. Wow! Congrats, 18! Artist of the Year naman, leading ang SB19 dito. Sila nga bang magwawagi? Tama! Artist of the Year, SB19. Congratulations mga 18 fans, mahalima. Grabe, deserve na deserve talaga ang pagod at sakripisyo ng mga fans dahil nanalo ang SB19 at sila ang Hakot Award dito sa Mixed Music Awards 2024. Congratulations sa mga nagwagi ngayong gabi.